Okay, this is the first picture, and this is the original picture, no alterations whatsoever. Okay, here you can see this is the reflection of the moon. Let's look at the time this picture was taken. It says 3:55 a.m. Okay, on 5:24. Now here is the thing I'm wondering about. So the moon's over here, didn't see Uranus, and this is what I'm assuming is Venus. So let's zoom in. Okay, that's kind of crazy. You actually can see some other stars in the background, but that's not what we care about. That's what this over here is. Come on, get up there. There it is. What is that? Because Uranus didn't even show up underneath the moon, which I'll show you here in a minute. What is that? Okay, let's look at it a bit closer. So you can pick up some stars a little bit. Background, look at that. What is that? I'm too inquisitive, I think. Okay, so I'm thinking it's not Mars. This I know. It's not Mars. It's something with something. And that's the problem. That's why I'm asking y'all. Now, I looked at all the planetary alignments, and I don't know. It I don't think it's a. Well, I'll show you. Hold on. Okay, so let's get out of here. Now here we go. I think I said that picture was taken at 3:55. So if we went from Venus is not even showing yet, so this is kind of confusing me. Let's go back to that picture. Did it show? We just okay. What did it say? 3:55 a.m. 3:55 a.m. Okay. So there shouldn't be anything showing up with the moon at 3:55 a.m. That's what makes me say, see? 3:55 a.m. Eastern. Okay. So, oops, wrong direction. So here is Uranus. Okay, Uranus is supposed to be showing up at 4:07. You don't even see Uranus unless that's Uranus. Uranus. See, but nothing should be showing up with the moon at 3:55. Okay, so maybe it's a little bit off. But here we are. We got Venus, which is what I was thinking. What's in the picture down below is. But if you look at that picture, even zoomed out, you don't see see, here's the moon. I guess Uranus should be in here somewhere, and then Venus, but not at 3:55 a.m. unless this is Uranus, which is possible. But here's the reason. We started freaking out when we seen something coming over the horizon. But this is the thing. It didn't show up, which I'm going to show you a video of it. This is this right here. Let me show you a video. This thing would look crazy when, I was like, what is that? Because it looked like it was moving across the, it's right there. If you can't really see it. But it looked like it was moving across the sky. a little bit, and I assume it's because it's flickering. It was a fig, like a, I don't know. I don't know. All I know is it looked like it was moving. And it was kind of crazy. But anyway, so we don't have much time to spend on this stuff. But you can tell. I mean, it's moving, but it's moving in a normal progression. I mean, it was kind of creepy. But that definitely, now see, when we were taking photos, I mean, it's amazing. I'm assuming that's atmospheric distortion. Well, you know how assuming gets you. I mean, it's amazing. I mean, I wish I could zoom in more so I could see it, but that's the best I could do with what we had to work with. But, yeah. So, let's go down. Let's get rid of this. So, I'm assuming this is Venus, because that's what you just seen on the video. Okay. But based on this, it could be Venus. But this is at 4:44. Let's back up. And not to mention, from our point of view, and this is at our point of view, there's more distance between the moon and whatever had risen, and it was more over this way. So something's off. Okay, we should have been able to see Uranus. We should have been able to see Uranus before we should have been able to picture this in the sky. And Neptune, I think, is right here. Yep, there's Neptune. Did not see Neptune. Not at all. And I mean, that looks bigger visually than that. So you would have thought it would have drawn some kind of attention. Now this mystery thing, I was thinking, well, okay, here's Venus. Let's say it is Venus. Okay, well maybe it's this thing right here. But why would I be able to see that in a photograph plainly and not be able to see Uranus? Yeah, Uranus. Well, let's just go with Uranus. I mean, it shouldn't be like that. Okay, let me pause this real quick. Okay, so let's look at these. Okay, this is an extreme black and white, and there's the one thing. Okay, there's that. I'm assuming Venus. There's the reflection of the moon on the water, which I have really great pictures of. But still, it's a black. Actually, I think this might be the 1960s version. It's just so time consuming. I've been looking at this for days, just trying to decide if, it's nothing or is it something. I think it's something. Okay, let's get out of this. But you can see other stars. Like there's something right there. I'm gonna have to make another video is what it is and focus mostly on these pictures. I mean, well, if somebody asked me to, I just, I'm to the point where it's just like a whatever moment. But there's like, in some of the pictures you can see where there's like some red orb things in the sky, and you really shouldn't be able to see them. I mean, I don't know. It was weird. But I'm all suspicious all the time about everything. Yeah, this is the 1960s. But I think the extreme black and white is the one that shows. No, it's not. But I'm not sure what that is. That's the mystery planet. That's Venus. The moon is over here. Oh yeah, infrared. See, even it, there's something else, like there's something crazy. That's supposedly Venus. I got so much stuff up right now, it's going so slow. But see, it's got a heat signature. What? It's got a heat signature? It's kind of weird. Which makes me wonder, what is that? It has a heat signature. There's something going on up here. But I don't have time to get into that. Okay. Let's go to thermal. See? Now on thermal, really doesn't show up. Not that I can tell. Oh, it does. There it is. It's just not as good. This is maxing out my computer's capacity. Okay. So there that is. Okay. So I went and I took it and I looked at every possible way you could look at it and my abilities. Now this is inverted and it shows it's there. It's crazy inverted. It's whitewashed out. I'm running out of time. But wow, like I don't know, I think it gives it more detail when it's inverted. See? It's pretty big when you think about how far away it is. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's, hold on, I was gonna show you. Okay. Do I want to look at anything else in here? What's this? Oh yeah, I'll just show you this. This was some, and I have another picture. Shows you how, actually it was a really good picture. But some kind of reflection was going on, and in another picture it's over here on the other side of it. It's pretty interesting what how blazing the sun is on the moon, and look, it's just like it's weird looking. I've never seen the moon like that. But and this is right over the Atlantic. But yeah, it was an amazing photo opportunity. Okay, so now let's look at let's look at Stellaria. Oh, look at that. That's interesting. That was infrared right there. And that's extra black and white. Ooh, let's go look at it real quick. I think I'm going to run out of time anyway. I'm not going to be able to get you. And you can see, like, oh, yeah, let's look at that. There's something, I don't know what that is. It's probably some planetary, galactic other place, but, well, there's something right there, too. It's amazing what you can find when you change the, you know, how the picture looks, or, yes, it's pixelated, but imagine how far away it is that it's pixelated. But Well, this is something I found also in that picture, which I'm not sure what it is. But, yeah, it's pretty crazy.